Hi, I'm Michel, co-founder of GMBapi.com. Excited to have you here at the GMBapi Academy. In this video series, we've crafted easy-to-follow guides to help you explore the features of our platform. Today, we're diving into the most crucial aspect of them all, reviews. This is your all-in-one hub for managing and understanding the reviews your business receives and the impact it has. Let's unpack these key features together.
Our first section under engagement is Google reviews. Here, in the top right corner, you will see the average rating, number of comments, reply percentage, and response time. There are 4 tabs in this section: All, Per Location, Summary, Map, and Insights. In All, you can filter the reviews based on rating, reply, comment, status, and date. You will find detailed information about each review. This includes the rating, store code, date, reviewer profile, review, your reply, and actions. Within the action column, you can utilize the Suggest Reply button, which helps you write a corresponding reply to the review in the same language the review has been written. Default options for expressing thank you are also provided, and you can create your own templates. Moving to Per Location gives you a detailed breakdown of each location, featuring average rating, store code, location, date of last review, number of comments, reply percentage, and response time. Selecting a location reveals individual ratings. Use the search bar and filters for effective review management. The Summary tab offers a review summary for each week. The week number alongside start and end date is given next to each summary. You can see how many reviews there are per week. There are valuable insights such as average sentiment rating, as well as a breakdown of positive and negative topics. Explore the Map tab to visualize locations. In the Map tab, you can see bubbles per location. Bubbles represent health and ratings. Bigger and greener bubbles indicate a better health score and higher ratings. Hover over the bubbles for details of the location, including the number of reviews, average reply rate, average response time, location address, location health, and rating. Lastly, we have the Insights tab. Here, you can customize the date and the label, and get insights into reviews, response time, and reply rate.